So today we are going to start with this removal of names, correct?
Yes, sir.
Removal of names is from section what?
248.
248. Okay. So tell me when and who is having the power to remove the name?
Power of registrars.
Okay. So register. So ROC, Register of Companies.
Companies.
Tell me on what grounds they will remove the name?
If the commencement certificate, if the certificate of incorporation has been obtained by the company and the business hasn't been commenced for the period of 1 year from the date of obtaining, and then annual returns has not been filed for a period of 2 consecutive years.
Okay. I want everyone to on your videos when you are telling.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So videos on பண்ணுங்க. Then yeah, continue.
Yes, sir. And then if
டேய் நான் உனக்கு வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ண சொன்னேன்டா நீ வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணாம ஓகே டன் ஷூர் so continue
Yes, sir. If any fraudulent activities has been found by the company, then ROC has right to remove its strike off its name, sir.
See, first of all I will tell you it's very simple. இவ்வளவுனா fraud கிட்டலாம் யோசிக்க தேவையில்லை. Point number 1, company is incorporated but there is no operation in last 1 year.
Okay.
Point number 2, company is running for few years but they are not filing their annual accounts, annual returns for a period of 2 years.
Yes.
Okay, they are not filing annual accounts, annual returns for a period of 2 years.
Yes.
So this company should call themselves as dormant.
Okay.
But they are not calling themselves as dormant. They should actually go and get certificate of dormant certificate. They have to file form MSc and they should get certificate as dormant. But they are not doing that. In that scenario, what will happen? ROC will give you opportunity of being heard 30 days, then you will be striked off. Show cause notice they will give.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Then recently they introduced one section called 10A. In 2019 they introduced this.
Okay.
Subscriber to the memorandum have not paid their call money, their money. So they will strike off the name of the company from register.
Company's name.
Exactly. Then
And then
there is no physically, company itself is not there. See this form INC 22A னு ஒரு form இருக்கு.
12A, sir. Section 12A.
Exactly. 12A இல்ல 12 subsection 9 வரும். Okay, they will come for physical inspection. INC 22A னு இருக்கு. You have to geotag. Photo எடுக்கணும் officer. And you have to do geotagging, like which place your office is, etc. And one director have to stand and give the photo in front of the office and inside the office. If you are not doing all those things, there is no physical structure after inspection by ROC, then the company will be
Company name.
striked off. Can you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Continue. What is the exception for strike off?
Section 8 companies cannot be strike off. Section 8 companies.
Then, if the inspection investigation is pending,
Fines for government company.
inspection investigation is pending,
Invest-
charges is there against the company,
And then if there is any what to say, sir, any other court of law case pending in the name of the company,
yes,
then it
Okay.
cannot be.
yeah, done.
Yes, sir.
Then, restrictions on making applications. Who, see, either ROC can strike off or you can apply suo moto, correct? For striking off. Voluntary strike off.
Striking off கூட பண்ணலாம்.
பண்ணலாம். Okay. So, if these conditions are there, you cannot go for voluntary strike off. What are the conditions? Harini.
Sir?
Wait பண்ணுற ஹரிணி சொல்லுவா.
Okay, sir.
So the company has changed its name in last 3 months. If the company has changed its registered address in the last 3 months, if any compromise arrangement is in process or winding up cases.
Insolvency cases, IBC cases. என்னாச்சு? டேய் கேக்குதாடா? சொல்லு சொல்லு.
கேக்குது சார்.
அந்த பொண்ணுக்கு புவர் நெட்வொர்க். சொல்லு.
If the company has changed its name in last 3 months, if the company has shifted from one state to another state in last 3 months, if there are any compromise agreements pending and
IBC இதுக்கு தான் ஸ்டக் ஆவறேன். Okay.
Sorry.
Then what is 250?
250 is effect of strike off. In case company is strike off, then incorporation certificate is set to be cancelled.
புரியல. Set to be cancelled. Okay, understood. Yeah, done.
So one doubt here.
Yeah.
If we strike off now, then we don't have to wind up, right?
Yeah, it's strike off and no need to wind up. That's all.
No need to wind up. Okay.
Strike off itself is amount to wind up, Kari.
Sorry?
Strike off itself amounts to wind up.
Okay, sir.
Then 251. ஹரிணி சொல்லு. ஏய் வெயிட் பண்ணு ராகவி, நீ எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லாத. ஹரிணி சொல்லு. ஹரிணி அந்த பொண்ணு கேட்டதுக்கு
Sir?
ஹரிணியா?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible. On your video and tell.
Yes, sir.
வீடியோ ஆன் பண்றதுக்கு இவ்வளவு நேரமா? சரிமா, நீ வீடியோவே ஆன் பண்ண தேவையில்ல, சொல்லிடு. Tell the answers.
Yes, sir. Section 251 deals with fraudulent application for removal of name.
Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah, come on, tell me.
Yes, sir. So, if any company or director files an application of voluntary removal of name with an intention of like escaping from the liabilities or not discharging the liabilities and defrauding the creditors or its members, then the person who filed the application shall be liable under section 447 of the Act. And
what is 447?
Punishment section.
Fraud.
Okay. And that person has to
incur the loss, whatever the loss incurred, he has to
loss
bear.
incurred by the
Yeah.
person's application.
Okay, done. Then what is 252?
252 is regarding the appeal to the tribunal.
See, for example, my name got striked off for not filing. Very popular thing is not filing annual accounts annual return. Okay, for continuous 2 years, if you are not filing annual accounts annual returns, okay, our name will be striked off.
Striked off.
Okay, so this is very popular actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So section 252 is like appeal should be made within 3 years from the date of such strike off.
Yeah.
And if the NCLT is satisfied, then it will pass the order, that is order of restoration of the name. And if in case the ROC has striked off the name inadvertently, then the ROC will apply to the tribunal and subsequently get the name.
Okay, within what maximum period you can get your name back? Within what time you have to appeal for this?
5 years.
Within 3 years you have to appeal.
Okay. Yeah, appeal is 3 years, sir, but totally.
இல்ல அது எப்படின்னா, I will tell you. 2 years is you have not filed annual accounts annual returns.
Okay.
Plus 3 years, totally 5 years.
Yes.
Can you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So within 5 years you have to come back. Otherwise, gone case, you cannot restore it.
Okay.
See, what will happen to the assets of the company?
The assets will be taken back by the tribunal.
Why? It's assets should be there will be liabilities, right?
No, sir. After discharging.
I am asking. No. It will be given to shareholders. See, literally, wind up panna enna பண்ணுவோம்? What you will do in wind up?
Like discharging the liabilities.
And then give it back to the shareholders, bro. Why should the government take the assets?
Okay.
See, think practically. I have liabilities, I have assets. In case if my liabilities or lesser than my assets,
Assets.
after selling the assets and paying off liabilities, the excess will be distributed to the shareholders.
Yes, sir.
Simple.
Okay.
Can you able to understand?
Yes.
I will tell you what government will do after some more years. Government will tell, in case after 5 years if you are not coming for recovering your name, whatever the assets you will be having, it will go to Binami Act.
Okay.
Because that means what? No one is claiming these assets, right?
Yes, sir.
And this company may be a shell company according to us. So all these properties will go to administrators. This will not happen today. This will happen after. If Modi is going to win after this attempt this time also, maybe in 2024, if BJP wins, damn sure this will happen. Can you able to understand? They will link Companies Act with Binami Act. And this will be asked in your economic law questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. இதெல்லாம் future.
Main motive அவங்க black money இது பண்ணணும்னு
Exactly. Now we will go to the next chapter.
சார் சுத்தமா எதுவும் கேட்கல சார், பிரேக் ஆயிடுச்சு சார்.
Break ஆயிட்டா இப்போ again can you able to hear?
கிளியரா விட்டு கேக்குது.
Sorry da. Now we have to go to winding up chapter, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, so we'll start. Arani, go for mute.
Yes, sir.
So Karthik, winding up chapter பார்த்துட்டியா காலையில வீடியோ? Karthik.
Sorry sir, நான் மியூட்லயே போயிட்டேன்.
Okay, yeah, tell me whether you listened to the video morning.
நான் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஓரளவுக்கு பார்த்தேன் சார் நான்.
Okay, can you tell that winding up sections?
என்ன சார்?
Winding up சொல்ல முடியுமான்னு கேட்டேன்.
சார் 240.
Yeah, I will ask question. Wait. 270. What are the modes of winding up totally?
மோட் ஆஃப் பெரியவர் டெக்னிக்கல் பைண்ட் அப் பண்ணலாம்.
See, wait, I will tell you. There is first voluntary winding up, then
வாலண்டரி வைண்டிங் அப்.
then
IBC code 2016.
IBC, then tribunal. See, I will tell you, tribunal winding up, creditor winding up, voluntary winding up. There are 3 types.
Okay.
Tribunal winding up and voluntary winding up has been shifted to.
IBC code.
Okay, so in case I am going to voluntary wind up,
Yes sir.
in case creditor is going to file a case on me, this creditor winding up and voluntary winding up has been shifted to IBC.
Yes sir.
So tribunal winding up will be there in the Companies Act.
Company that. Yes sir.
So creditor winding up, voluntary winding up, IBC.
IBC so tribunal
Okay.
வைண்டிங் அப் and the company that.
ஏன் creditor wind up பண்றாங்க? Because the company is not solvent.
Yes sir.
So if I prove I am solvent, if I don't have solvency, both are IBC.
Yes sir.
Tribunal compels me to wind up, that is in Companies Act.
Yes sir.
Okay, now tell me 271.
217 circumstances in which company will be bound up by tribunal.
Yeah, tell me.
The companies as acted against the sovereignty and integrity of India. And if all the central government is applied to tribunal that company is formed to do some fraudulent activities, something like that. And if the company has not filed with register the annual return financial statement for last
5 years. Yeah, 2 plus 3. Can you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So 2 years now dormant, 3 years is not coming back, 5 years la company wound up.
Sir, so not filed for 2 years, second year name strike off, plus 3 years company wound up.
See,
But the
3 years
company
kulla, I will tell you,
strike-
3 years kulla you have to come and recover.
கேக்கல.
You have to recover within 3 years.
From the strike off.
உனக்கு ஸ்ட்ரைக் ஆஃப் பண்ணி 3 years ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா உனக்கு wind up ஆயிடும்.
Okay sir.
So immediate wind up போவா. Strike off is not equal to wind up.
You are not at all audible, sir.
The strike off is not equal to winding up.
Okay.
Okay, strike off is not winding up. Strike off I 3 years or wind up.
Okay, first strike off and then
Okay, next. Petition.
petition is either by the company or by any contributory.
Okay, then ROC also can file petition. Central government can also file petition. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then. So they have to attach the affairs of the company, right? Attach the affairs of the company. Statement of affairs, FS. Then 273.
Sir, I will பார்க்கணும் sir.
Okay, someone. Rajeshwari.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 273.
273 powers of the tribunal. After filing the petition, the tribunal has two options.
Yeah, tell me.
The tribunal has the two options, either to accept or reject. If the tribunal accepts the petition, it can either order for interim, or it can either pass the interim order, or it can appoint a company liquidator
Yeah.
to sell the assets and settle the liabilities.
Yes. So first of all, it can dismiss it or it can admit it. If it admit it, it can pass an interim order. So that liquidator will be appointed. So initially that person will be called as provisional liquidator. Once the resolution has been passed, he will be acted as a company liquidator.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next 274.
274, the company can raise
Object.
objection within
Exactly,
30
very good.
days.
Objection has to be raised within what time?
30 days.
Very good, 30 days. Then maximum how much extra days can be given? Another 30 days.
Your what?
Okay. So if the company fails, I know. If the company fails to object it, if the company is failed to object it, what will happen? Rajeshwari, can you able to hear me?
Company fails to object, it can then the normal binding of process.
See, அப்போதான் வந்து process start ஆகும். அவன் வந்து petition கொடுக்குறான்ல. Somebody is giving petition against me. What I should have done? I should have stopped it. I should have objected it. I have 30 days time for objection. But I am not objecting it. Then only they will pass an order.
Okay.
I should have given financial statements. Sir, பாருங்க சூப்பரா இருக்கு my financial statements னு சொல்லிடணும். Okay, there is no need to wind up my company.
Okay.
Okay, then.
Okay, sir. Then section 275.
Yeah.
That is in case I didn't raise any objection, the ROC will appoint, the tribunal will appoint a liquidator, official liquidator and
Serial, see, I will tell you. Liquidator, there are two types, ma. Okay. One is company
Voice
liquidator.
is breaking, sir.
See, can you able to hear me now?
yes, sir.
Liquidator, there are two types.
Official liquidator,
First, company liquidator. Second, official liquidator.
official liquidator.
Okay. So, what is company liquidator? The company liquidator means a provisional liquidator appointed by tribunal who is approved by the company. Who is official liquidator? The person who is an employee of central government. OL office.
Okay.
OL office னு இருக்குது பீச்ல இருக்குது சென்னையில பீச் ஸ்டேஷன் கிட்ட இருக்குது OL office.
Okay.
Okay, Rajeshwari, go for mute. Niveda, you unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Unmuted, ah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Now, in case if we want to replace the liquidator, what is the procedure?
I didn't say that.
Stupid. ஐஸ்வர்யா, என்னடா நீங்க ஏதோ பொண்ணுங்களா இருக்கு பசங்களே இருக்கு சூப்பர், அதுவும் பொண்ணு சாய் நாராயணா இருக்கா. சொல்லுமா, நீ சொல்லிட்டியடா, அது தவிர உன்னை தவிர கேட்கறதுக்கு ஆள் இல்லடா, அதனால தான் மட்டும் கேட்டுருக்கேன் நான். சாய் கிரண் இருக்கா, நீ இருக்கா, ரெண்டு பேர்ட்டி கேட்டேன். வேற யார் இருக்கா? கீழே ஒரு பையன் இருக்கா, ஸ்ரீதர்னு ஒரு பையன். அவனுக்கு கேட்டா என்ன சொல்லுவான்னு தெரியல, படிச்சானா தெரியல. கமான், யார்கிட்ட கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கான்? ஐஸ்வர்யா, can you tell this?
So, if I want to remove a liquidator, we have to give an opportunity for being.
On what grounds I will remove him?
If he has no experience.
First of all, misconduct.
Misconduct.
Fraud.
And
What fraud you will do, you know?
If he died or resigned.
What fraud he can do?
Then if he died, we resigned.
What fraud he will do? Generally, liquidators.
He may bid a lower price for our asset.
Perfect. He will sell the assets at very low price and get commission from the other party.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Personal benefit.
Exactly. Then there may be a lack of independence also.
செம்மையா பிரேக் ஆகுது சார்.
சரி இங்க வர்றா நான் சொல்றது கேளு. யாரு பேச போறீங்களோ அவங்க வீடியோ மட்டும் ஆன்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க, மிச்சம் எல்லாம் ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ ஐஸ்வர்யாவோட வீடியோ மட்டும் ஆடியோ மட்டும் ஆன்ல இருக்கட்டும், மிச்சம் எல்லாரோட வீடியோ ஆடியோ ஆஃப்ல இருக்கட்டும். மேபி அது பேண்ட்வித் இஷ்யூவா இருக்கும், குட்டிக்கு தான் இருக்கும் பேண்ட்வித்த. சும்மா இல்லாம யூடியூப் வேற லைவ்ல போகுதா, அப்ப அங்க ஒரு பேண்ட்வித் போயின்னு இருக்கும், இது ஒரு பேண்ட்வித். புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது?
Okay, sir.
சரி, கம் பேக். என்ன சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தா?
The removal of liquidator.
Yeah, okay. So, due to lack of independence, he may be removed. Can you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So, in case, because of the liquidator only, the company is having loss, and if they proved, what will happen? The amount will be recovered from the liquidator himself.
Yes. The tribunal will.
Exactly. Then, what is the next step? 277.
Yes, we have to intimate within 7 days.
Yeah, once the tribunal appointed the liquidator, he has to be intimated within 7 days. Then, what he will do, the liquidator, what he will do? He will take the position of the officers. Okay, so employee, workman and all, they have to go out.
In certain cases, the operations will continue. In certain cases, it will not.
Yeah,
What is the certain cases, sir?
I will tell you. இப்போ நிறைய இன்வென்ட்ரிலாம் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, ஒரு எக்ஸிஸ்டிங்கா கான்ட்ராக்ட் இஸ் தேர். So we can even continue during the time of winding up. Winding up is nothing to do with dissolution. Dissolution is there, different. Winding up is different.
Okay, sir.
Dissolution means its death certificate is there. Winding up means it's kind of coma. உயிரோட தான் இருப்பேன். You are there alive. You can even bill. Invoice எல்லாம் போடலாம் winding upல. Being company being owned up னு bracket போட்டு you will raise invoice also. Okay. Now the question is, what committee this person will create?
Winding up committee.
Winding up committee. Within how many days he has to create?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Winding up committee consists of what? Who are all there in the
Creditors, official liquidator.
secured creditor or nominee, official liquidator. Then tribunal's professional. Tribunal will be appointed to one professional, that person.
As nominee
Okay.
this person.
And this liquidator, he will give one report.
Yes, sir.
That's called preliminary report.
Okay.
What will be there in the preliminary report?
It is what is the paid up capital, how much uncalled capital is there, contributories, then any case there against the company.
See, basically, how much property is available. நீ யோசி, என்னோ சொல்ல தேவையில்ல. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன சொல்லணும்? சார், கம்பெனி வித்தா எவ்வளவு கிடைக்கும்? What is the liability is there? What is the assets is there? Then how much money I can collect from calls?
Okay, sir.
So assets, properties, cash, bank.
Okay, sir.
In case if I sell the assets, what will the amount realized? Who are the creditors? What are the liabilities? Okay. Any undistributed dividend is there?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any claims against the company, contingent liability claims, all those things has to be there. Then, what is the effect of winding up order? If the order is passed, what will happen? It applies both to creditor and contributory. It applies both to creditor and contributory. Can you able to understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, then. What will happen to the suits? Any fresh suits can be filed?
No, sir.
Okay, now you go for mute. Sai Narayana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What will happen to the suits?
So basically, the suits, whatever are there, they all stands closed, sir. However, if there are any continuous proceedings,
We cannot say closed, it's all stay.
Yeah, it all gets a stay. So, however, the existing proceedings on the company or by the company will stand continued. If any application to grant leave from such proceedings is made by a person, the tribunal shall dispose the same within 60 days.
Yeah, exactly.
Apart from this, they can grant a leave for such proceedings only if it is there in front of any other things apart from High Courts or Supreme Courts.
Okay, done.
So last point, I didn't understand what.
See, with the leave of court, Appadina High Court if they allowed or Supreme Court if they allowed, even during the time of winding up, a person can file a case against the company.
But here we're mentioning that we're taking permission from NCLT.
Amma,
Sorry, not
NCLT.
NCLT, tribunal, sorry.
That's what. No one can file directly a case against this company in tribunal. They have to go to High Court. Ask the permission.
Okay.
With the leave of அப்படினா அர்த்தம் அவன்கிட்ட போய் பர்மிஷன் வாங்கிட்டு வந்தா ஓகே அவன்கிட்ட போய் லீவ் ஆப்ஸ் சார் லீவ் கேளுங்க சார் எனக்கு சார் ஆஸ் ஐ எம் சஃபரிங் ஃப்ரம் ஃபீவர் கிவ் மீ 2 days அந்த லீவ் இல்ல ஓகே வித் த லீவ் ஆஃப் நான் அர்த்தம்னா அவன்கிட்ட போய் பர்மிஷன் கேட்டு வந்தான்னு அர்த்தம் ஓகே தென் jurisdiction of the tribunal. The tribunal may entertain a suit against the company. Submission of report by the liquidator.
So we read only till here, no?
Same da. Then within 60 days they have to submit one report. From the winding up order, within 60 days they have to submit a report.
483.
Okay. Then
Such report should have the record.
we studied, no, just now we studied in 281 the interim reports. Adha konja detailed ah padipom inga again. List of contributory, list of contracts to be performed, holding company, subsidiary company details, all those things.
Any debts due by the company.
Debts due by the company, due for the company, all those things. Then 282.
I studied it here.
Okay, today's class is still what section?
283, sorry, wrong ah solten nanu. 283 no rendu irukku.
Okay. So Raghavi, come on, tell me what is 282?
Yes sir, tribunal may order for investigation. So this tribunal they may give permission to sell company's asset or they may ask for further investigation.
Say 210 la they can ask. Okay, so 210 la they can ask for investigation. Okay. Then
Yes, and then last is whoever 283 is if company's assets are being sold, then the company may call for all its balance assets from its employees or other shareholders, and everything is to be submitted to the company. Records or assets.
So any employee is having the properties of the companies or documents of the company, or any banker is having the properties of the company, I will tell you, this is very important sections. Bankers are not going for winding up. Bankers are going for SARFAESI. You know why? Once the company goes for wind up, all the security creditor have to give their assets, their securities against the company to be given to the liquidator. He will sell and he will distribute under section 426. 426, 427 la irukku. Okay, and the overriding preferential creditors la irukku. They will distribute in that level. Can you able to understand?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this?
Company to call for assets. 283.
Exactly. Now, so with this, we completed today's revision. Go through all the sections. Correct, Amma? Idu idana mudicho iniki? Okay, we will see tomorrow then.
Sir, ஒரு small doubt sir.
Soda.
Sir, section 277 la அந்த committee form பண்ணுள்ள within 3 weeks by
Amma.
Those committee consists of creditors சொன்னீங்க.
Secured creditor ரா டேய் புரிஞ்சுக்கோடா இங்க நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இருக்குடா. Secured creditor வேற creditor வேற.
Yes sir.
Official liquidator வேற company liquidator வேற.
Honest nominee கூட இருக்காங்க.
Nominee ஐயோ secured creditor means it's nominee. Mostly banks ல தான secured creditor இருப்பாங்க. அவங்கள பாடி கார்ப்பரேட்ஸ். சோ அப்ப nominee தான they will give. இது ஒரு டவுட்டடா உனக்கு?
சார் அது கிளாஸ்ல கிரெடிட்டார்ஸ் நீங்க சொன்னீங்க சரி ஓகே அதுக்கப்புறம்
சரி பாடி கார்பரேட்ஸ் இருந்தாலே நாமினிஸ் தானே இருப்பாங்க.
ஓகே சார் ஃபைன் சார்.
So we'll stop here. We will see tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.